Sutishna's Guru Dakshina. Sutishna was a student of sage Agastya. He was a devoted student and learnt the art of living from sage Agastya. When he completed his education, he asked sage Agastya what Guru Dakshina he should offer to him. Sage Agastya asked Sutishna to help him see the Almighty God. Sutishna kept his teacher's desire in his mind and made an ashram for himself in Dandaka forest. He had heard that Rama, the incarnation of Vishnu, would pass through Dandaka forest during his exile. So he waited there, worshipping and singing in praise of God. One day he heard that Rama had arrived in Dandaka. Sutishna was very excited and overjoyed. Rama was smilingly observing him from behind a tree. He was so absorbed in the vision of Vishnu that when Rama approached and called him, he did not hear him at first. Rama was very much pleased at the true devotion of Sutishna. After Sutishna's meditation was over, when he opened his eyes, he found Rama, Sita and Lakshman standing before him. He was overjoyed to see them and fell at their feet. He took them to his teacher Agastya's ashram and fulfilled his promise and his teacher's desire. Demon Virad. As Rama together with Sita and Lakshman and other sages roamed Dandaka forest, they chanced upon a man eating demon named Virad. The demon saw the two princes and Sita and decided to feast upon them. He lifted Sita first and was about to take her away with him when Rama shot his arrow at him. Virad laughed at the sight of the tiny bow and arrows. He broke them with his fingers. Realizing the futility of using his bow and arrows to fight against Virad, Rama and Lakshman decided to tear off his arms. With great might, they wrenched off Virad's arms and threw him on the ground. Rama immediately stepped his foot on Virad. The touch of his foot had a wondrous effect. Virad's eyes softened, and with both palms joined in reverence, he said, "Your touch has purified my mind. I am a natural spirit and not a demon. Due to a curse, I was changed into a demon. Please kill me and relieve me of the curse." Rama accepted Virad's request and killed him. Virad's demon body changed into a sacred spirit. It greeted Rama, Lakshman and Sita and then returned to heaven. Lakshman punishes Surpnakha. Demon Ravana had a sister named Surpnakha. She was very ugly and wicked. Once she went to Panchvati where Rama was staying with Lakshman and Sita. She was attracted by the beauty and charm of the two princes. She took the form of a beautiful woman. She went to Rama and asked him to marry her. But Rama told that he was already married. He jokingly asked her to go to Lakshman. She approached Lakshman and expressed her desire to marry him. But he too refused her proposal, saying that he was merely a servant of Lord Rama and so he would not be able to give her any pleasures of life. She went to Rama again, but he sent her back to Lakshman. This time Lakshman was irritated by her, so he insulted her and asked her to go away. She became very angry at this and came back to her real horrible form. Sita was frightened to see her. Seeing Sita, Rama secretly gave some instructions to Lakshman. Lakshman at once took a sword and punished Surpnakha by cutting off her nose and ears. Surpnakha was in great pain and ran away from there. Rama and the demon brothers. When Lakshman had harmed Surpnakha, she was in great pain. She rushed to her brothers Khara and Dushana and narrated the whole incident. She asked them to take the revenge of her insult. Seeing Surpnakha's plight, they became very angry. Rama realized the trouble and asked Lakshman to escort Sita to a secure place. He got ready with his bow and arrows. Khara and Dushana arrived with a strong army of elephants, horse-drawn chariots, and soldiers. The demons charged from all directions, and Rama hit back with his powerful arrows. But the demons would become alive again and again. All the gods in the heavens became upset to see this. Rama thus performed a magic, and the demons began to see each other as Rama and thus attacked each other. The entire army was destroyed in no time. They all attained salvation and reached heaven as they were screaming, "Kill Rama!" Finally, with one final shot, Rama knocked down Khara, Dushana, and their friend Trisara. The gods rejoiced at the death of the demons. Lakshman and Sita came to Rama. They were happy at the victory of Lord Rama.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.